In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your lifetime deliveries in the Dasher app. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Dasher app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so the layout and labels match what you see here. If your connection is slow, give the app a moment to load your account details before moving on. This ensures everything you're about to check is accurate and up to date. Once you're in, head to the Ratings tab. You'll typically find it along the bottom menu or within your account section, depending on your device and app version. The Ratings tab is where Doordash groups your performance metrics, things like customer rating, acceptance rate, and completion rate. It's also where you can quickly access your historical activity at a glance, so it's a natural place to check your long-term progress. Inside the Ratings tab, look for the label called Lifetime Deliveries. This shows your total number of completed orders across your entire time dashing. Think of it as your running career total. Every completed drop-off you've successfully finished adds to this number. It's a simple, reliable way to understand your experience level at a glance, whether you're tracking personal milestones or just curious about how far you've come. If you prefer to view your stats from a financial perspective, there's an alternative spot you can check. Go to the Earnings tab. In many versions of the app, you'll see your lifetime deliveries displayed alongside your weekly and monthly stats. This view is helpful if you like to see context, such as how many deliveries you've done this week, right next to your all-time total. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. App interfaces can vary a bit by platform and version, but the information is the same, and lifetime deliveries is commonly listed in or near your earnings summary. A quick note to make this even easier. Your lifetime deliveries number updates automatically after each completed dash. You don't need to calculate anything manually. Once an order is fully completed, the total increases on its own, giving you a live, accurate snapshot of your progress without extra work. That's all there is to it. Open the Dasher app, check the Ratings tab for lifetime deliveries, and if you like an earnings-focused view, take a look in the Earnings tab where it may appear alongside your weekly and monthly stats. Keep driving safely and enjoy watching that total grow with every successful delivery.